Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to rotate shape in MS Word. For this, you need to click on the shape you want to rotate. For this, you need to go to the insert and click on the shapes and draw the shapes. Now you can see, look for the circular arrow icon popping up at the very top center to the shape. Here it is. Click and hold that circular arrow and then move mouse left or right to spin the shape like this one. If you want to lock the rotation to perfectly precise increment, snapping exactly every 15 degree, hold down the shift key on your keyboard while you drag the mouse like this one. Moreover, if you need a perfect quarter turn or want to mirror the shape, use the ribbon menu. For this, you need to click on the shape format. Once you select it, the shape format will appear on the ribbon. Click on the rotation icon, and this is the rotate right 90 degree, and this is the rotate left 90 degree, and this is the flip vertical, and this is the flip horizontal. So you can choose which one is your requirement. Moreover, if you need the shape at an exact angle, so you can type it directly. For this, you need to click on the shape, click on the rotate icon and click on the more rotation options. And click on the size tab, and here is the rotate box. You need to type the exact rotation. For example, 160 degree, click on that, and here it is. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can rotate shape in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.